Step into the 2014 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.